Hi, I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Have you ever seen one of these? These are denture cleaning tablets. Whether you wear dentures or not, these are great for cleaning a dozen other things. And I'm going to go through them real fast now and show you how you can use these, and they're really inexpensive, to clean all kinds of things around your house. Okay, when you buy them, they come in a little pouch. You tear them out, and I almost never use just one. I use a couple or three or even four if I need to. The first way I found out about these was I heard you could use them in a toilet to get rid of mineral stains and just a stained bowl. And you leave them in there overnight and they fizz, and the next morning the porcelain is bright and shiny white. Another thing you can use them for is getting stains out of white objects. Now these are really treasures in my family because my mother tatted, and she made a lot of doilies, and these were spotted and stained, and I thought, oh, I'm never going to salvage those. But I soaked them for several hours in a bucket of water that I had put 6 of these denture tablets in, and they came out perfect. This will also clean your jewelry. It will clean mouth guards or retainers. You can use it to clean the grout of tile in your bathroom or kitchen. It will clean a white tennis shoe if you soak it for a few hours in a bucket like I did with my doilies. It's great for getting stains out of mugs if you drink tea or coffee. You can also use it in your kitchen drain or any drain. It will really do a great job on that. And it cleans your fingernails if you have fingernails that just won't come clean. It also can clean kids' toys, but then be sure, of course, to rinse them off really well. And the same with a mug or anything. Sometimes we get stained Tupperware, stained little plastic containers, and even with this one, I would just use one tablet and just let it soak and rinse it out, and you'll find it has taken all the stain away. Also works with vases and with enamel cookware if it gets any stains on it. So there is a baker's dozen for you of ways you can use denture tablets to clean around the house. I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Hey, visit my website, jonihilton.com, and buy my books. And for heaven's sake, read my humor blog. We all need to laugh right now. And I'll see you next time.